What's up guys, Simon here. In this video we're gonna go ahead and review the Buds Live. These are by Samsung. They're the Galaxy Buds Live. They're supposed to be really good, affordable earbuds, and I'm gonna go ahead, unbox, review, play some music, make a phone call, do the traditional method, give you my thoughts on these earbuds, and let you know if they are any good, if you should just skip them. So before I get into this video and do the unboxing, I ask that you guys please like the video. It's the biggest favor you could do for us. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Check out techvisibility.com. It's our website where we do a lot of tech related fun articles, news, leaks, etc. So let's get into this unboxing. All right, so the Buds Live box is very similar to pretty much any of the other earbuds we've seen. Nothing crazy on the box. It just says 6 hours and a total of 21 hours playtime with the case. Triple mics for clear calls, active noise cancellation. That's good. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the tape that's on each side and cut that through. Yep, this will allow the box to pop open. There it is. They look really nice. Nice piano finish. And sound by AKG. Oh wow, look at these. Looks like Beans. Should be Beans Live. So then you get this little case here. And in here is a very long USB-C cable. So I do like this cable. Looks like it is about 2 feet. So USB to USB-C. That is pretty much all you get. You don't get anything else in here except for, oh, check this out, a couple other, looks like connection tips or holders, but that's it. All right, that's all that comes in the packaging. Very neat. Super small case. I mean, it's a little thicker than the third generation, but I would say it's kind of even smaller. Left and right indicator. That's how they pop in. So that was the ear tip themselves. Very interesting. This is the right, again, good magnet, good case. The flap is pretty good. USB-C charging on the back end. It'll stay up mostly, but it will close. Overall, very impressive. Very lightweight. Let's get these paired up. So here they pop out right away. I'm going to click on them. Connected. Let's pop them in, see how they feel. All right, so there is a simple slide in. And they fit actually really good, guys. I like how they feel. I don't know, I'm impressed by them. I can't say that they feel good or bad. Let's look at the manual. That's one thing we forgot to look at. And they're already playing because this, I pushed touched it and it was playing. So let me touch it again. It's so weird to not have them here. You got to press at the top. Okay, that's just something different about these. And you could tell that they fit different, but they feel good. It feels cool to the ear because of all the plastic around. Now the manual, like every other manual, this is how they pop in. And as you can see, I got them in right. Single tap is to pause and play. Double tap is next song. Call answer is a single tap. Triple tap is a previous song. Touch digital assistance if you hold it. And you could launch supported music apps, reject the call, launch noise active cancellation if you hold it. So there, I just launched noise cancellation. Overall, these sound great, okay? Very simple. There's nothing more to the manual. Let's get some good songs going and play, okay? So we're connected. We're gonna go ahead and play a rap song. I'm gonna give you my idea of how it sounds with bass. Overall, they feel great inside. I really like how they look. They're different. I've never seen anything like them. Usually I got this plug in there. I can hear myself talk, so it's like transparency mode.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she.
The bass is good. Bass is very good. Surprising. Very clear bass too. And they're very clean, very clear, by the way. The bass is not overpowering the sound. The song has been played very well. I mean, I'm impressed, guys. I can't say that these are bad in any way, okay? It's really good earbuds. Now, these go for about $150, so are you getting $150 music? I wouldn't say they're like, wow, but they sound great. All right, let me play another song. This song's gonna be more in regards to acoustics and maybe some dance music.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
Okay. The AKG 12mm drivers in these are very good. I'm very surprised. The sound quality is really good. The style is great. They don't feel like they're gonna fall out either. I do like these a lot, and I'm just trying to get a good perspective on them. I mean, the sound quality is excellent. All right, so I played the sound quality. I'm gonna say these are top of the line. They're very good. They're worth the $150 they're asking for them. I think you're paying more for this little design of them than the sound quality itself, but they fit very well. The noise canceling is really good. It looks like you have a bean in your ear. They're different. If you want something different, these are the ones to go with, okay? Overall, very impressed. They fit excellent. They're, I don't know, is cute the right word? They're just different and they sound great, and that makes them really good. The long-lasting battery life is what they advertise, up to 8 hours. Non-stop listening on the earbuds. You could use one at a time. 21-hour total playtime. That's not the best out there, especially not for $150. There's a Galaxy app for customization, so that's great. Voice assistant, that comes regular with any earbuds out now. I love the active noise cancellation. The microphones on the front and on the inside are really good, so they do a great job with active noise cancellation. Are they the best active noise cancellation earbuds I've tested? Not by any means. I would say Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds take that way better, take the top position, and there are other earbuds for half the price or even a third of the price that I've tested that have better noise cancellation, such as the Amazon Echo Buds. So those were great as well. So the cool thing is this gives you a little bit ear bling. There's different colors. You could go with the black. You got a bronze color, Mystic Red, which I think I would do with the shiny red, obviously Mystic White, and then you get the Onyx Black. So if you want different color choices, the link is below. That'll take you to the Amazon webpage where you could take a look at the Galaxy Buds Live, different colors. They're all about $150. The cheapest ones that are red are $129. Currently, you could also get them used for $55, sanitize them and play them, etc. So actually used, they're going from $47 right now on Amazon. They're definitely worth the $50. Overall, they're impressive. Are they the best earbuds? Probably not, but this is something different, something new, something you gotta try. I would give these about a 7.5 out of 10. Comment below if you agree with the review, if you tried these. The sound quality is good. The bass is surprisingly good and clear. However, they are just not outperforming what's being offered nowadays in terms of battery life, in terms of transparency mode, and better noise canceling. So I hope you enjoyed this honest review. If you did, please give us a like button, subscribe to the channel, check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews, and I'll catch you here in the next video. Thanks.